It's wonderful to have big plans and big dreams, but today is the day to start putting them into action. I'm Jeff Jower for Planet Pulse.
And I'm Rick Levine on this Saturday, July 20th. It's interesting to talk about putting things into action when there's a Grand Trine, which is normally a configuration that has to do with maintaining the status quo, with keeping the energy moving in the way that it is. And yet I do agree with you.
Well, for the last couple of days, we've had Saturn of order, Neptune of dreams, and Jupiter of vision forming a harmonious Grand Trine in the sky. And today, Mars, the planet of action, joins the party. And even though Mars is in Cancer, which is cautious, it's still Mars, and Mars is pushy.
That's right. And Mars in Cancer is coming also into a conjunction with Jupiter in Cancer.
Yay!
And Mercury and the Sun is in Cancer. All of these are cautious, and yet there's a sense of the crab that if it moves slowly, it can build a very powerful foundation for what it is to come, for what's to come later on. And I think the other piece of the puzzle here is that we have the moon in structure building Capricorn today. And so I think that in some ways that gives us the sense of ambition of to go somewhere with all this.
Yes, but I think it also requires breaking of habits. That moon in Capricorn keeps running into Uranus and Pluto. So the idea is that perhaps the most successful way to achieve our ambitions is to change some of our habits.
Right. And I think here, coming back to the Grand Trine in water, with Saturn, Neptune, and Mars and Jupiter all kind of working together, the sense here is to not to just go rushing ahead and to do something.
Mercury is standing still.
Mercury is standing still, ending its 3-week retrograde period, turning direct today. But in Cancer, it's still going to do it slowly. The thing today has to do with the intent that comes from our dreams. We've been dreaming about this long enough, maybe since last fall when the Saturn-Neptune trine first began, and certainly over the last month or two, these dreams have been, they're repetitive dreams, they're recurring, and today is like the last hold on the ability to take those dreams and make something real with them. We don't have to rush out and do it all today, but we have to solidify what the image is. I'm Rick Levine.
And for Planet Pulse, I'm Jeff Jower.